Today we're talking about skincare as usual, but let's focus on the eye area as this is a major concern for a lot of my clients. If you've never seen me before, welcome to my channel. I am Rachel, the owner of More Than a Pretty Face. I left a corporate job in 2018 to pursue my passion of healthy skin and helping others with their skincare needs. I started this YouTube channel just so I can give information to a wider range of people than I can as the local skincare specialist here at my spa. But enough about me, let's dive right into it. So I'm sure you guys have seen all these LED eye masks popping up on your For You page and all these new skincare devices. I would like to start talking about them, but first we're going to talk about the eye masks. Have you ever wondered how to rejuvenate and revitalize your eyes? Creams just aren't doing it. And honestly, some of them are too expensive to keep buying, right? Well, look no further than the EyeHancer. This mask is everything you need to target those areas of concern around the eyes. Like if you suffer from dark circles or puffiness, fine lines, even tiredness, you can help treat those at home with our LED eye masks. So keep in mind, this is a non-invasive treatment, which is amazing. You can do it right from the comfort of your own home. Basically, what it does is it's red light therapy. So it's going to help boost your collagen. And when you're boosting your collagen, you're increasing your circulation. So that's going to help the dark circles and puffiness. And with that, it's going to treat those fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your eye area feeling and looking refreshed and youthful. The best part about this eye mask is that it is hands-free. So while you're wearing the mask at home, you can be doing other things like doing the dishes or relax reading a book. It is a must-have to add to your beauty routine. Trust me when I say that, because when you get this and you do it at home, you're going to see how easy it is to incorporate it right into your beauty routine. All you need is 3 minutes a day. It has a timer on it, so you just pop them on, you turn it on, and 3 minutes later, get ready to say goodbye to tired looking eyes and hello to your rejuvenated appearance. So basically, I'll show you. It's so easy to use. So you just put it on your eyes like this. This is clinically proven and dermatologist recommended. I will leave the link in the description below. So you just put it on, you tighten it, and you turn it on just like that. As I was saying, I will leave a link in the description below so you can learn more about our EyeHancer. Feel free to also comment skincare if you would like to be added to my newsletter, where I'm always giving away great tips and advice and also discounts to my shop. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content on skincare and beauty. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day, everyone.